Welcome to MaddyKingPro. In this video, I will show you the specific tools and framework you need to install before setting up any custom RAID or hacking software. If your RAID does not open or crashes, this setup will fix 100%. Most custom tools require specific platform to run like .NET, Java or ASP.NET Core. Missing even one of these can cause error like app failed to start or missing run components. Before anything else, install the .NET SDK to prevent error or detections problem. So now download the latest Java files, Java JDK or Java JRE. Java JDK for payload building and Java JRE for program running. You can also install the all-in-one runtime pack. If you want to save time, this includes most common .dll and runtime components. After installing all these, restart your PC and try launching the tool again. It should work smoothly now. Subscribe to MaddyKingPro for more ads, hacking and setup guide.